Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create your own pattern papers using very basic ingredients at your home, and I will show you total 7 different styles of pattern papers. So let's get started. For this we need liquid glue, black and pink color marker, some distress inks with foam blending tool, hard punch, paintbrush, paper cutter, some colored markers, some acrylic colors, some poster colors, some gift wrapping papers, white color sheet and ruler, and this bubble wrapping paper. So I'm starting with my first pattern. For this I'm taking this 18 by 13 white color sheet, and I'm just taking one scrap paper, folding in half, and now I'm making two different sizes of hearts by cutting the heart shape. Like this. So here I have created heart stencil. Now I am just applying some distress ink on this heart so that we will get a heart pattern on our paper. Like this. See, isn't it very easy? So I am repeating it randomly on the paper. Now I am making big size hearts using orange color distressing. Now I have cut one more tiny heart, and now I am just filling some gaps using this heart by applying peach color. If you don't have distressing, you can also use poster colors. So you just need to add color on top of this stencil. But remember, color should be little opaque, not very watery. So the first pattern paper is ready. Now proceeding to second one. For this I am taking my bottle cap and just applying it on some pink color poster paint and creating the circle pattern randomly on the paper. To create this pink color, I had just mixed white and crimson red. It's okay if you get some circles with the color inside this. We will add some other pattern on these circles. Now I am just filling this circle fully with the same color using my brush. Like this. Now I am taking orange color and taking my small glue bottle cap and again making some random circles on the paper. like this. Now I'm making some smiley balloons on these opaque circles. So the beautiful pattern paper is ready. Now I am starting with third one. For this I am taking this bubble wrapping poly bag and I am applying some orange and pink acrylic color on this. Now just take your paper and print this pattern on your paper firmly. See how beautiful it looks, and it's very easy to create. You can fill the empty gap by adding some more color. So third pattern paper is ready. Now for the fourth one, I am taking this wrapping paper. This is a gift wrapping paper, and I am just cutting some diagonal strips from this paper using my paper cutter and ruler. So we have lots of different sizes of strips. In the same way I have created some strips using pink color paper. Now I am taking my base paper and applying little glue by leaving some equal distance gap, and I will add these pink and orange strips alternatively till the end of the paper. Like this. So I have covered whole paper. Now I am just cutting excess strips all around the paper. Like this. Isn't it looking very beautiful? So fourth pattern is also ready. Now proceeding to fifth one. For this I am taking again one scrap paper and I am making 8 petal flower from this paper. Here again I am making one flower stencil. So cutting one small petal in the corner. Open this paper so you will get a flower shape in the center. Now take your base paper and apply some distressing on this flower. Again, if you don't have distressing, you can use watercolor. Or even you can also use soft pastels. For this you need to use your cotton to apply the soft pastel color evenly on the stencil. So this is done. Now I am taking my black color marker and just outlining the flower and creating some pattern. So after adding, it will look like this. Now I am creating some orange color flowers here and there using my orange pencil color. So the 5th pattern paper is ready. Is it very easy? Now starting with 6th one. For this I am just applying some water on the base first. And now I am taking some orange and some crimson red color and just adding the color on the paper randomly and spreading it using my brush. Allow it to dry completely. So it's completely dried. Now I am taking some more orange color on my brush and sprinkling some dots on the paper. In the same way I am sprinkling some crimson red dots. Now I am taking one pen and from back side of the pen I am adding some circles by dipping it in orange acrylic color. Now I am taking my pencil and from the tip of the pencil, by adding little pink acrylic, I am making some tiny dots around the circle. So repeat this process for all the circles. So after adding, it will look like this. So the 6th pattern paper is also ready. Now I am proceeding to the last pattern, that is 7th one. For this I am taking my heart punch machine and punching one heart from peach color paper. In the same way I have punched some more hearts. Now on our base paper I am adding these hearts in a row vertically. Now I am taking my pink color sketch pen and making some dash lines between these hearts. And now I'm taking my orange color sketch pen and making some small dots between these dashed lines. So the 7th pattern paper is also ready. So all 7 different styles of handmade pattern papers are done. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I'm sure you will try all these patterns soon, and you can use these papers inside the scrapbooks or to decorate explosion boxes or cards. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.